Hi, Joanna. So today we will be working on your goal number 4. Goal number 4 is math. So we're going to do some addition problems. Now I want you to go to your packet, not the new one. That's going to start till next week. The one that you have at home already. I'm not sure if you have these problems, but if you don't find it, you're going to have to write them down in a piece of paper with the answer. So I'll help you out with number 1, 30 plus 28. So we're going to add 0 plus 8, 8, 3 plus 2, 5. So your answer is 58. So go ahead and do the rest of the problems on your own. And once you are finished, please upload them to Teams. And that be it for today. And hope you have a wonderful weekend.